Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I just love to give you a lot of information so you can help make decisions on things. One of the things that taxpayers who don't file for many years are not aware of is IRS can just file your returns for you. And some of you are thinking, gee, well, that's great. IRS will file for me. I don't have to file. But let me tell you, IRS is not going to do you a favor. No, no, no. There's a provision in the manual. It says it's a code section, 6020B of the Internal Revenue Code says IRS can file your tax return for you, and you don't want that to happen because they're going to file you single. They're going to give you no exemptions, no extra, nothing, deductions, no losses, nothing. You are going to pay the most amount of tax allowed by law. Now, what typically happens to taxpayers that have this done? I know as a revenue officer, I used to work these cases. I was a part of this system. Once IRS sets up that tax liability, IRS starts sending out a number of notices and letters. Well, after 5 and you don't respond to IRS, I just want you to know that what's going to happen is IRS is just going to go ahead and start to take your bank account, garnish your wages, maybe file a federal tax lien, and possibly take your passport as well. So I want you to know you got to become responsible when you start getting a notice or a letter, or you haven't filed your back tax returns, because really bad things are going to happen. I'm just trying to let you know that it's so easy to get back in the system. Many times fear and not knowing what's going to happen. Some people think they're going to prison. Some people think they may get set up. People think a lot of things, but I've got to tell you, if you don't file your tax returns, there's a point in time IRS loses their patience. Actually, the computer loses its patience. There's not a person on the other end of your phone. Your case sitting in a computer bank, you piss the computer off, and the computer starts taking action. Honest truth, if you need me, call me. I get your returns filed, get you back in the system, and work out a reasonable settlement. Give me a call. I've been doing this all my life. I'm an expert in this matter. Thank you so much. I always appreciate subscriptions. Thank you.